Yo, what is up people, it's your boy Yashve Gaming, and if you're new to my channel guys, I would like you to kill murder and smash that subscribe button. And yeah, so for today's tutorial guys, I'm about to show you how to install Python in Kali Linux. Okay, how do we install the latest version of Python in Kali Linux? You wanna open your browser. If you don't know how to open browser, so you wanna click this and click on this web browser over here. So yeah, so you wanna search for Python. Okay, just simple click, okay, and browse to www.python.org. Okay, so as you can see here, you will find the latest Python, okay, which is Python 3.8.1. okay, Python 3.8.1. okay, so click this and you will find all the release dates, all the information about the latest Python. Okay, so we're gonna click the download, as you can see here. So all you gotta do is to click this Python version 3.8.1 and this will download in the format of tar. As you can see, tar.xz. okay, it's an archive. Okay, it's the same as on Windows. Okay, so on Windows it will be zip file, but here it's in a tar file. Okay, so all you gotta do is to click save file and hit download. Okay, and the download should here you can find your downloads. Okay, and inside your download, okay, you will see Python version 3.8.1. the tar has been downloaded. So you wanna right click on it and you wanna click extract here. Okay, so as soon as you extract here, you will find the Python folder. All right, so all you gotta do is to open the terminal. Okay, so first you wanna do cd and downloads. Okay, so as you can see, the download has been selected. Now we'll have to view what is inside the download. So to view, we'll have to list. Okay, so to list down the files folders in the downloads location, you're gonna type ls and press enter. Okay, so as you can see here, we have two files. Here's the Python tar file and here's the Python which we will need. Okay, so just copy that and here just do cd and here and paste selection here, or just paste clipboard and hit enter. Now do ls, and as you can see here, we have many folders inside we have many files inside the Python version 3.8.1. okay, so now we're gonna need the configure. Okay, the configure, so just copy the configure. Okay, so you wanna add a dot and a forward slash and then just paste the configure here and press enter. Okay, so this will check the build and this may take a few minutes. Okay, so you'll have to wait, you'll have to be patient and wait. Okay guys, so you can see it has configured. Okay, so the next step you're gonna do is type make and hit enter. Okay, and this also will take a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. So just I'm gonna resume once it's done. Okay guys, so after this has done, you're gonna clear. Okay, just type clear and press enter. And now you wanna write make space install. Okay, make space install and hit enter. Okay, so as you can see now, also it might take about 1 or 2 minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see, it has finished, and you don't you will see error 1, etc. Okay, so just don't worry about this. It should it has already the installation has completed. Okay, you have now successfully installed Python on your Kali Linux. Okay, and now you want to close that. So how to check the version of the Python that you have just installed? So all you gotta do is to open the terminal. Okay, so you wanna open the terminal, and you wanna write in Python, okay, 3.8 space -v and press enter. Okay, so as you can see, you will see the Python version over here. Okay, as you can see, Python version 3.8.1. okay, and now to exit, you wanna type exit with brackets, okay, with open and close brackets, and just click clear. Okay, just type clear. This will exit you from the Python. Okay, and now let's I'm gonna show you some basic Python coding skills. Okay, so this is a basic. Okay, print and space, open bracket, close bracket. Inside the bracket, you wanna add let's say you wanna add hello world. Okay, hit that subscribe button, and also do turn on that post notification bell. Okay, because I will upload daily videos and I don't want you to miss any of my future release. Okay, all my upcoming videos are only about cracking, okay, and other stuff such as including Linux videos. Okay, so please subscribe and support me. This is Yashvia Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace.